Have you ever wondered what would really happen if you got into a fender bender in Colorado and didn't have the right car insurance? Or maybe you're new to the state and unsure what's required. Don't worry, you're not alone. Understanding your car insurance obligations can be overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. In today's video, we're going to break down everything you need to know about Colorado's car insurance requirements, from what the state demands to what's optional but smart to have, and even what happens if you don't have coverage at all. So if you want to be confident that you're protected, and maybe even save thousands of dollars in the process, head over to FreeAdvice.com. Our free comparison tool helps you compare quotes from top providers in your area, all in one place. In Colorado, like in most states, car insurance isn't just a good idea, it's the law. If you're driving a vehicle in Colorado, you must have car insurance. At the very least, the state requires you to carry liability coverage, which is designed to cover the other person's costs if you're at fault in an accident. Here's what the minimum looks like. First, there's bodily injury liability. Colorado law says you need to have coverage for $25,000 per person and $50,000 per accident. So, if you cause a crash and someone gets hurt, your insurance will pay up to $25,000 for that person's medical bills. But if multiple people are injured, the total your policy will pay is capped at $50,000, even if the combined costs go beyond that. Then there's property damage liability, which covers damage to someone else's car or property. The minimum requirement is $15,000 per accident in Colorado. So if you hit another car or crash into a fence or a building, your insurance pays up to $15,000 to cover the repairs. It's important to remember, these minimums are designed to protect other people, not you. If you're injured or your car is damaged, these policies won't help with your bills. That's where additional coverage like collision, comprehensive, or medical payments comes in. And if you're curious about how all of this plays out in real life, or you just want to double check that you're legally covered, visit FreeAdvice.com. Our free comparison tool helps you compare quotes from top insurers all at once, so you can find the best coverage at a price that actually fits your budget. Now, just because Colorado only requires liability insurance doesn't mean that's all you should carry. In fact, stopping at the minimum could leave you paying thousands out of pocket. There are some optional coverages that, while not legally required, can really protect you when things go sideways. First up, uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage. This protects you if you're hit by someone who either doesn't have insurance or doesn't have enough of it. Sadly, not everyone follows the law, and if they don't, this can help cover your medical bills or car repairs. Next is medical payments coverage, sometimes called MedPay. No matter who's at fault, this helps pay for medical expenses for you and your passengers. Ambulance rides, ER visits, it adds up fast and MedPay can step in right away. Then there's collision coverage. This one helps cover the cost to repair or replace your car if you hit another vehicle or any object. It doesn't matter who's at fault. It's there to help you bounce back. And finally, comprehensive coverage. This protects you from the stuff you can't control, like theft, vandalism, hailstorms, falling trees, even hitting a deer. And let's be real. With Colorado's unpredictable weather and wildlife, this one's more useful than you might think. Together, these coverages can give you peace of mind and protect your finances in ways basic liability just can't. For more guidance on which optional coverages might be the right fit for your situation, head over to FreeAdvice.com. Their free comparison tool lets you check rates from top insurers all in one place. Ever wonder why two people with similar cars can have very different insurance rates? It's not random. Insurance companies use several key factors to determine what you'll pay. To start with, age and driving experience. Younger drivers tend to pay more because they're statistically more likely to get into accidents. But as you gain more experience, your rates often decrease. Next up, your driving record. If you've had speeding tickets, accidents, or claims, insurers see you as a higher risk, which usually means higher premiums. But a clean record can help lower your rate. Another big factor is the type of car you drive. Sports cars, luxury vehicles, and cars with expensive parts or repairs tend to cost more to insure, while vehicles with strong safety ratings and cheaper repairs generally come with lower rates. Your address also plays a role. If you live in an area with a high crime rate or more accidents, your insurance premium will likely be higher, whereas rural areas with less risk can result in lower costs. And lastly, your credit score. In Colorado, insurance companies can factor in credit when setting rates. A higher score can help lower your premium because it signals financial responsibility. If you want to see how your personal details affect your rate, head over to FreeAdvice.com. Our free comparison tool helps you break it all down and find coverage that actually fits your budget. Now, let's talk consequences, because driving without insurance in Colorado, it's serious business. There are real legal and financial penalties if you're caught driving uninsured. First up, fines. If you're caught driving without insurance, you could be hit with a fine of up to $1,000. But if you get caught again, the penalties get steeper real quick. Next, you may face license suspension. Without valid insurance, the state may suspend your driver's license, leaving you unable to drive anywhere, whether it's commuting to work, picking up your kids, or running essential errands. You might also be assigned community service hours. So now, instead of just dealing with paperwork, you're giving up your free time to work off the penalty. Here's one many people overlook: the SR22 requirement. That's a special certificate your insurance company files with the state to prove you're properly insured. If you need one, it usually means your insurance rates will go up, and you'll be flagged as a high-risk driver. And beyond these penalties, there's the financial risk. If you cause an accident while uninsured, you're on the hook for everything. Car repairs, medical bills, legal fees, all out of your own pocket. One mistake could set you back for years. If you want to learn more about what happens if you're caught without insurance, or what an SR22 really involves, visit FreeAdvice.com today. Our free comparison tool helps you compare rates from top insurers, so you can make a smart, affordable choice that keeps you covered and compliant. Now that you know what's legally required and what makes sense to carry, the next step is putting it all into action. Now let's break down the steps to actually get car insurance in Colorado. Step number 1, compare quotes. Rates and coverage options can vary a lot from one insurer to the next, so don't settle for the first offer you get. Use online comparison tools or talk to an independent insurance agent to get side-by-side quotes. Step number 2, understand your policy. Before you commit, make sure you understand what your policy covers and what it doesn't. Look at things like deductibles, limits, exclusions, and any discounts you might qualify for. Step number 3, file a claim. If you're ever in an accident or have damage to report, you'll need to know what to do. Have your documents handy. Things like police reports, medical bills, and repair estimates. Colorado drivers are legally required to carry liability insurance, but that's just the start. Optional coverages can protect you, and not having insurance, that could cost you big time. The good news is, you've got resources to help you stay protected and even save money. If you found this video helpful, click the like button to let us know it helped you understand Colorado's car insurance requirements. Drop a comment with your thoughts or any questions about Colorado car insurance. We're here to help. And make sure to subscribe for more straightforward insurance guides and money-saving tips. Colorado roads can be unpredictable, but your insurance coverage shouldn't be. Know what's required, protect yourself with the right policy, and make wise choices behind the wheel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.